Hello my beautiful YouTube family. Here's a beautiful bun tutorial for you. Divide your hair into 3 sections. Make 3 ponytails like this. Now divide the upper ponytail into 2 parts. Take its first part and tie a knot with the left side ponytail. You can do it by yourself, which is very easy to do and looks very beautiful. Now take its second part and tie a knot with the right side ponytail. Now we have 4 sections of hair, 4 parts, 2 at the upper side, 2 at the lower side. Now tie a knot with lower 2 parts and repeat the same process with the upper 2 parts of hair. And same process is going to be repeated. Now tie a knot at the left side, then at the right side, and repeat same process till end, and secure the ends of hair with the hairpin under the bun. Set it and you are done. Hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.